What up, though? What's been going on, y'all? He stopped at the McDonald's. We about to try this new chicken Big Mac. See what's the deal with it. A chicken Big Mac? Man, I wonder if they use the McChicken patties or the McCrispy patties. I don't know, it's like $8 and something with the discount. So I'm thinking, man, they better give me them McCrispy patties. Chicken Big Mac. Well, who thought of that one? Oh man, they don't look like neither. That don't look like a McChicken patty to me. It don't look like a McCrispy neither, y'all. It looks different. That's that chicken Big Mac. It don't look like neither one to me. I think it's more like the McCrispy. Oh, it's probably a McCrispy patty. Oh man, they said limited time only. I'm loving it. Oh man. I think I'll take this over a quarter pounder. That's because I like chicken over beef. That's the only reason. Come with the cheese on it. Oh man. I'll definitely take it over the regular Big Mac. Man, they on to something right here. This is a limited time though. Yeah, I need to go ahead and keep this on the menu. What's up? Come on, limited time offer. Y'all being cheap or something? It's better than McCrispy to me. Hey. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's on point. If you're hungry, I guess I'm hungry though. I don't know, it's good to me. I'm so tired of all the other stuff though. You know, you get tired of quarter pounder, double quarter pounder, Big Macs. The McDoubles and the McQuadruples and the triples. Something different. Man, I like it. That's crazy. I think that's the best thing that McDonald's is. I love my double quarter pounders. But man, I like this chicken Big Mac. That's crazy. Limited time only. They need to keep this on the menu for good. Get rid of them McCrispies. I'll take this over McCrispy any day. I ain't gonna lie, I'll take it over a Big Mac. Man, my Detroit Tigers doing good. I don't even pay attention to baseball, but they done made it to the playoffs. They up 2-1. They won the wild card. They in the playoffs. Lions doing good. They lost one game this season. I don't know about the Red Wings or the Wolverines. Pistons need to do something. Man, go on ahead to McDonald's, try y'all a chicken Big Mac. I don't know, they made mine on point. I probably was hungry too. I'm digging this one. I'm thinking I like it better than the regular Big Mac. Unless you add a couple beef patties to the extra couple beef patties to the Big Mac. I thought that was weird at first until I tasted it. I'm like, oh man, they on something, man. I need to go and keep this on the menu. I don't see why I said limited time only, man. You don't want to lose money or something? Yeah, I ordered through the app with the little 25% discount. It came up to $8 something. I think $8 or something for the combo. Oh, I got a regular medium combo though. Maybe if I would have got large, it would have been 10 or something. Oh man. I thought they was gonna give me some McChicken patties. I was gonna be like, oh nah. But they gave me the, I think it's the McCrispy patties or something else. It's a lot closer to the McCrispy patties than the McChickens though. I'll probably go to one in the hood and they give me McChicken patties. I think it's the best thing that I done got out of McDonald's though. I'm so tapped out on double quarter pounders though, so I don't know. I like it. I still love my double quarter pounder. Filet of fish. I don't know. People hate McDonald's, but I don't. I know I was tired of it when I used to work next door to one, but I ain't tired of McDonald's right now. But man, I smashed this one. I smashed that. Man, go and get y'all a chicken Big Mac. Cause I'm loving it for real. Oh my God. I didn't think it was gonna be on point, yeah. I thought it was oh man, I thought it was gonna be weird. That's not weird at all. They should have came out with these when they came out with the Popeye chicken sandwiches. They probably would have been going head up. Well, them Popeye chickens was popping at first. Then they start just throwing you bold ones. I guess I probably tapped out on them Popeye chicken sandwiches. You gotta tell them to make yours fresh or something. But McDonald's definitely should have came out with chicken Big Macs. So when Popeyes came out with some chicken sandwiches, they probably would have sold a lot of these. That's crazy. I did not know they was gonna be on point like this. I thought it was gonna be horrible. Or maybe I'm just hungry. I didn't think I was that hungry though. But man, this is good. That's crazy. I feel like ordering another one. Man. A chicken Big Mac. Wow. That's crazy. I'm trying to think. Do I like them better than the Popeyes chicken sandwiches? Yeah, I probably was hungry. I smashed that whole thing. Going to McDonald's, try y'all a chicken Big Mac. It's not weird. I thought it was gonna be weird, but I am not disappointed at all. Not at all. That was good. That's crazy. I'm like, why they didn't think of this a long time ago? That's probably one of my new favorites, and they ain't gonna have it. It say limited time only. McDonald's, don't do this to us. Keep the chicken Big Mac. If y'all want to get rid of something, get rid of them McCrispies. Just keep them all, man. Why we can't get a chicken Big Mac too, man? Just leave it on the menu. That was a good idea. Whoever thought of that. I definitely thought it was gonna be weird. But yeah, go ahead, y'all. Try y'all. Go and try y'all chicken Big Mac while it's on the menu. It's not too expensive. Let me see. Yeah, it's about the same price as like a quarter pounder meal.